Happy Tuesday. Good misty morning, my peeps. I love you very much. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry about last night. I didn't reply to any comments on the vlog, and I didn't go to Mark's live stream, and after dinner, I just wanted to relax. I got the vlog uploaded, and I had every intention to go back online and do that, but, it just occurred to me that I needed to kind of relax and enjoy my family and put that back into balance, you know what I mean? So, had a great time. Watched TV. Glenn was like, "You're not going on YouTube?" It's almost 8:30. I said, "You know what, babe? Let's just hang out and watch TV and everything else." And he was happy, of course, and you know what? So was I. Take a break and just enjoy each other's company, and it's important. It's important to take care of the relationships, your real relationships, because it's easy to get sucked into an online world. It happens. And you have to prioritize. You have to prioritize in life. But anyway, I did want to check in this morning, remind you all that you're loved, and I'll talk to you in a little bit. It is so yucky and wet and dreary and cold. Yeah, it's chicken and dumplings time again.
It reads 7,811. You really can't see that. And I've done 19 floors, and my miles was 3.31.
Guys, you should really check out Amy's channel. She's starting a weight loss journey. She could really use the encouragement. We've all been there. Unless you're extremely fortunate. Some people have the other problem. They can't gain weight. But most of us have, always have trouble losing it. So, swing by Amy's channel. Give her a word of encouragement, a prayer for her. It's one day at a time, one step at a time. We love you, Amy. Yep, here's the pot. Here's the chicken. And I'm out of Bisquick. I don't know how. I could have sworn it was in the fridge. But I am not going out in the store in this weather, and I don't wanna. So I'm gonna do it the way I've always done it, using these canned biscuits and flour and some chicken bouillon, just to pump up the chicken taste, since I am using boneless, skinless breast this time around. Alright, here we go. I see you. Good night.